Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to do an unboxing on an Anypro cool mist humidifier. Now let's get started. A thank you card, instructions. Sure, we're going to need those. And let's see what else we have in the box. The top water tank. In the bottom. And that's it in the box. It feels nice and sturdy. And let's see about how we would put this to use. Okay. Turn the water tank over, unscrew the top. I've got 2 cups of water that we're going to pour in it. As you can see, the tank will hold a lot more than that. Tighten it down. Line it up. Plug it in. And turn it on. As you can see, immediately you start getting a little mist out of here. I don't know if you can see that on video or not, but it starts right away. And I'm not seeing some of them you see a bunch of water splashing everywhere. I'm not seeing any of that here on the table. Overall, I'm very impressed with this item.